Hello students, I hope you all are fine and enjoyed the Independence Day. I saw your performances, they were very good. So now let's get to studies again. So we were doing the chapter number 5, The Wise Caveman. We have in the last video we have finished off with this. And now we will start with page number 29. This is page number 29. So let's get started. First of all, the word meanings are given. This is very important, and in every chapter the word meanings are there and you have to learn it. Got it? So let's get started with the first one. Concrete, building material consisting of a mixture of cement, sand, stones, water, etc. Fell, to cut down a tree. Intently, with attention. Patient, tolerant. Proposed, put forward or suggested. Nature, existing in nature, not made or caused by humans. So these are the word meanings. You have to learn it. Now come to the exercise part. The first one, find the antonyms of the following words from the story. Small, antonym means the opposites. So small, big, many, less or few, foolish, sensible or wise, old, new, artificial, genuine or sincere. So please copy down in your book. Now move to the next part, that is match the following. The Greys, first one is had a father, a mother and 14-year-old son. Trees take long to grow. Nature is patient. Natural resources are very precious. Patience leads us to success. So the answer is 2, 4, 1, 5 and 3. Now let's come to the next page. This one, page number 30. Page number 30. Question answers I will be giving you in the next video. First of all, we will do this think and ponder. Now this is a very new thing for you. What will be your reaction in the following situation? There are few situations given here. According to me, what should be the reaction I have given here? But you can write on your own also. So the first one is, your friend was supposed to meet you in the park at 10 a.m. but he didn't come till 11 a.m. My reaction, I will be angry. Obviously, if a friend has told to come at 10 and he didn't come till 11, the 1 hour you are still waiting, so either you will be angry or you can give him or her calls and calls and calls. And if he is not, if or he or she is not picking up the call, then he should give a message. So there can be many reactions. So I have written this. You can write on your own also. This no need to write in the copy. In the book only you have to write. Now come to the page number 31. The second one. Your father was late in picking you up from school. Now it happens sometimes with us also. So what can we do? My reaction will be, I will go to the office and call my father or mother and would be waiting in the school only. Now children are always, they are small, whether they are big or what, but for parents they are always small. So what you have to do is you have to wait for your mother or father, and then what you can do is you can go to the office and you can give a call to your mother or father so that they can come and pick you up. So this is my reaction. You can write this also. You can write your own also. Then the third one. You went to a restaurant for lunch and were not served till half an hour after placing the order. Now, sometimes it happens that we order something and it becomes late. So, it can be like there is a huge crowd over there, so the chef is unable to do the order in time. Sometimes it happens that due to some cases the order is being late. So, my reaction, I will be waiting patiently because in a restaurant it takes time to make the order. Everybody is there to eat only. So it takes time to make the order. So just be patient. Then, last one. Your little brother tears up the story written by you for a competition. Now, it mainly happens that your CW copy, book, or whatever you have made something very nice, and sometimes you leave it there only, and your younger brother or sister comes and they do any marks, they write on it, they stare it, something like that. What should be your reaction? My reaction, I will write again, and for the next time I'll be very careful with my things. Why? It is our mistake only, because we should keep, if we have done something that we don't want our younger brother or sister to make it don't tear it. So what we will do is we will keep the things in a particular way, and we should be very careful about the things. We should not like we have we have kept the book or copy lying over there, and when the brother and sister is coming and they can do anything on that because they are small. So what is our reaction? I will write again, and for the next time I will be careful with my things. Got it? So for this, today we will be doing this much only. We have done the meanings, then we have done the antonyms, then the match the columns, and this think and ponder activity. So in the next video, I will give you the answer the following questions and time to find out. And soon I will be uploading the syllabus videos. So don't worry. And write these things in your book only. Only the question answers part you will be writing in your copy. So till then, have a nice day.